Welcome to Device Lab. Today we'll be examining the best drawing tablets for beginners. The VEIKK 1200 is a great choice for beginners stepping into the world of digital art. Its 11.6-inch full laminated display minimizes parallax, providing a natural, paper-like drawing experience. The anti-glare screen ensures colors look vibrant and accurate, covering 72% of the NTSC color gamut, making it ideal for artists who want precision. With a sleek and lightweight design, it's portable enough to carry around, and the two included pens, both battery-free, are precise and responsive, allowing for smooth transitions between different brushstrokes. However, there are some drawbacks. The tablet doesn't come with a built-in stand, so you'll need to purchase one separately for more ergonomic use. Additionally, while the tablet supports USB-C, it still requires both HDMI and USB connection for full functionality, which can clutter your workspace. In conclusion, this model offers excellent value for beginners. With its intuitive features, sturdy build, and quality display, it's a solid option for someone looking to start digital drawing or illustration. For more information, check out the Amazon link in the description below. The Simbans PicassoTab X11 is a standalone tablet designed for beginner digital artists who don't want the hassle of connecting to a computer. It comes with pre-installed apps like Concepts and Infinite Painter, making it easy to start drawing right away. The 11-inch laminated display minimizes parallax, while the anti-glare coating helps reduce reflection, enhancing the drawing experience. It runs Android 13, allowing compatibility with modern apps, and its 8-core processor ensures smooth multitasking. However, this device does have some downsides. The pen, while responsive with 4096 levels of pressure, has no eraser or shortcut buttons. The screen protector included is quite glossy, which can cause reflections, and the tablet speakers are not of the highest quality. Overall, this model offers solid performance for beginners with a variety of preloaded apps and a decent display. It's portable, versatile, and perfect for those wanting an affordable, standalone drawing tablet. You can find more details and a link to purchase it from Amazon in the description below. The HUION Kamvas Slate 10 is a versatile, standalone tablet aimed at beginner digital artists. Its 10.1-inch, fully laminated display provides a crisp and vibrant drawing experience, with 4096 pressure levels in the included stylus, supporting tilt and palm rejection. Running Android 12, the tablet gives you access to numerous drawing apps via the Google Store, including popular choices like Infinite Painter and Medibank Paint. The 8-core processor ensures decent performance for sketching, note-taking, and light video editing, making it a capable tool for on-the-go creation. However, the pen performance can be inconsistent, with noticeable jitter on slow diagonal lines and latency that might hinder detailed work. Additionally, the battery-powered pen lacks an indicator for charge levels, which could be inconvenient. The display, while excellent for indoor use, may not perform as well outdoors due to lower brightness levels. In summary, this model is a budget-friendly, portable drawing solution, great for beginners looking to practice their skills without needing a separate computer. More details and a purchase link can be found in the description below. The HUION Kamvas 13 is an entry-level pen display that delivers excellent value for digital artists, especially beginners. Its 13.3-inch screen is fully laminated, reducing parallax and offering a smooth drawing experience with a paper-like feel thanks to its anti-glare matte coating. The display supports 120% sRGB, making it suitable for vibrant color work, though it's not ideal for professional color-critical tasks. The battery-free stylus features 16,384 pressure levels and tilt support, providing a natural and responsive drawing experience. While this device excels in portability and ease of use, a few downsides exist. The display resolution is only 1080p, which may make the interface feel slightly pixelated compared to higher-end models. Another minor inconvenience is the need for separate power when using certain connection setups. Overall, this model is an affordable and capable option for those starting their digital art journey or needing a portable drawing solution. Find more details and a purchase link in the description below. The Wacom One 12 is a compact and portable pen display designed for beginner digital artists and students. It features a bright 11.6-inch Full HD screen with 99% sRGB coverage, providing accurate colors for drawing, photo editing, and animation. The anti-glare and fingerprint-resistant surface offers a smooth, paper-like feel, and its portability makes it perfect for those who need a versatile tool on the go. The pen is battery-free and pressure-sensitive, with 4096 levels of pressure and tilt recognition for natural, precise control. One downside is that the necessary 3-in-1 cable for HDMI connection is not included. meaning you'll need to buy it separately if you want to connect to certain devices. Additionally, while the screen size is great for portability, it may feel a bit cramped for users who prefer larger working spaces, especially for detailed projects. In summary, this model provides excellent value for its size and price, making it a good choice for beginners or those looking for a portable option. You can check out more details through the link in the description below. The XPPen Artist Pro 14 is a versatile and well-built drawing tablet, perfect for digital artists. Its standout feature is the X3 Pro stylus, with an impressive 16,384 pressure levels, making it highly responsive and accurate for detailed work. The stylus has an ergonomic design, eliminating the need for frequent recharges, and mimics a pen-on-paper feel, enhanced by the anti-glare, anti-fingerprint matte screen. This ensures a smooth, uninterrupted drawing experience, ideal for long creative sessions. However, while the tablet's display is precise and has a broad color gamut, it falls short in some color accuracy requirements, especially for high-end professional work. The built-in stand, while convenient, could benefit from more angle options, and the lack of a VEIKK mount limits its adaptability in different setups. In conclusion, this model is an excellent mid-range tablet with great features for both hobbyists and professional artists, offering a premium drawing experience at a more affordable price point. Check out the Amazon link in the description for more details. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring!